Dear students of class 10th, this is the fifth video and it is related to chapter agriculture. So today we'll discuss about beef raised crops of our country. So tea and coffee are the most important beef raised crops of India. So these crops are known as beverages because the produces of these two crops are used as drinking material. So now let us discuss about the beef raised crop. First we will discuss about tea. So with regard to tea, this is an important beverage crop of India, and tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture, and it was introduced in India initially by the British. But today, most of the tea plantations in India are owned by the Indians. After that, we'll discuss about the geographical requirements. So, first, we will discuss about the temperature. Tea is a tropical and a subtropical shrub, and tea grows well in hot and humid climatic conditions. Temperature requirement is ranging in between 20 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, but 25 degrees Celsius is the ideal temperature. After that, we'll discuss about rainfall. So, with regard to the rainfall, tea plants require heavy rainfall ranging in between 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter, and the rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. After that, we will discuss about soil. So with regard to the soil, it requires a light loamy soil, and the soil should be rich in humus and iron content. The demerit of tea is that it exhausts fertility very soon, so frequent use of chemical fertilizers and manure is essential to maintain fertility of the soil. After that, we will discuss about major producers. So, with regard to the major producers, when you will see this map, what you will notice, these are the major producers of tea in our country. So, regarding the producers, what you will notice, northern India produces more tea than the southern India. Assam produces about 50% of tea produced in our country. Then another important producer, that is West Bengal. In West Bengal, hills of Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri district are the important producers. Tamil Nadu and Kerala are other important producers of tea. Apart from this, the other producers are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, and Tripura. After that, we will discuss about some of the other features of tea plantation. So, with regard to tea, it is grown on hill slopes because accumulation of water is injurious to the roots of the plant, and on the hill slopes water drains away easily and water logging does not take place. Then another feature what we can add here, prolonged dry spell is harmful for the tea. high humidity, heavy dew favor the rapid growth of young leaves, or you can say the tender leaves. The another feature what we can count here, it is a labor intensive. Tea plantation is a labor intensive which requires cheap and skilled workers. After that we will discuss about another beverage crop, that is coffee. So with regard to coffee, this is the another important beverage crop in our country. So this crop was also introduced by the Britishers in the year 1830. The first plantation was set up in Karnataka. So there are three varieties of coffee grown in India. The Arabica variety is the most important, which was brought from Yemen. Now let us discuss about the geographical requirement for the cultivation of coffee. First, let us discuss about the temperature. It grows best at altitudes ranging from 1100 meter to 2400 meter. The mean monthly temperature ranges from 14 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Bright sunlight and warm weather are necessary for harvesting and preparation of the berries. After that, we'll discuss about rainfall. It needs rainfall ranging in between 125 cm to about 250 cm, and rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. After that, we'll discuss about soil. So with regard to the soil, coffee plant grows well in deep porous soils with high humus content, and this crop also exhausts fertility of the soil very quickly. So it is essential to use manure to replenish fertility of the soil. In India, coffee is grown on red and laterite soil. After that, we will discuss about major producers. So, India produces about 4% of the world's coffee. Karnataka is the largest producer and it produces more than 70% of the total coffee produced in our country. Other producers are Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So, about the next horticulture, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.